Hello champions, this is Ashok Kumar. I am very happy to announce that I am starting a new tutorial series on mastering PySpark and Databricks. As we know, Spark is lightning fast in memory distributed compute engine, and as a skill this is having highest demand in market. If you are eager to dive into big data analytics with PySpark and Databricks, then this series is perfect for you. Here, we will explore the best capabilities from both of these two tools, whether you are a beginner or have some experience in big data analytics. This series is designed to cater to all levels. Every week, I will be sharing an interesting and informative video where we will discuss different aspects about PySpark and Databricks. Now, just have a look what are the different things that we are going to cover in our tutorial series. We will start with PySpark basics, and here we will be talking about RTDs, data frame, and we will try to apply certain transformation and actions, and we will try to validate the output. Moving further, the next topic, it will be data ingestion. We will deal with different types of file formats like CSV, JSON, Parquet, Avro, and many more. And we will ingest that particular data into the PySpark environment and move further with the data processing. So over here, we are going to perform data cleaning, filtering, and transformation related stuff onto top of data. Next module is Spark SQL, where we are performing Spark SQL queries in order to do the analysis onto top of the data. First four modules are with respect to the batch processing. Over here, data is processed in terms of batches. Now, if we are having streaming data, live streams of the data, then how to process? So we are having two modules, Spark streaming and Spark structure streaming, where we will try to process streaming data with the help of these two modules. Then we are going to learn window functions. So if we are having data which is having time columns and we want to do the analysis based upon the time, then Spark is providing certain window functions, and with the help of that we will be able to do the analysis. Then user defined functions. So we will explore PySpark functionality with the help of user defined functions, and we will be creating certain custom functions over here. Then module, the next module is data visualization, where we are going to integrate different libraries in order to have the visualization on to top of that data that has been analyzed. So there are certain libraries, say Matplotlib or Japlin. We are going to utilize those particular things. Then optimization and performance tuning. We will be learning a lot of optimization techniques like partitioning, bucketing, caching, persisting, broadcasting. So those particular things are required in order to make a query performant, and we will go through those particular optimization techniques in detail. The next module is integration with big data ecosystem. So we are having different tools inside the big data ecosystem like Hadoop, Hive, HBase, and many more. So we will try to learn how to integrate these big data tools with PySpark and Databricks. Next is cloud integration. Nowadays, the industry is having focus toward the cloud, and we will learn different services from AWS and Azure with PySpark and Databricks. The next one is real world use cases. We will try to learn real world use cases with PySpark and Databricks and perform the data analysis over there. Next one is best practices and tips. I will guide you how to write down the efficient code with PySpark and how to make it performant. So these are the focused area with respect to our tutorial series. Now just have a look. Why should you tune to this particular program? We know that Spark is a skill which is having highest demand in the market. And with the help of this tutorial series, you will get the chance to learn most demanded skill in market. Next is comprehensive learning. I will start from scratch and move towards advanced level, and I will help you at every stage to build your concept with respect to PySpark and Databricks. My major focus is to give you the practical exposure of each and everything. Next one is interactive community. You will join a vibrant community of data enthusiasts where you can share your thoughts, ask questions, and learn from their experiences. So that is why you should tune to this particular tutorial series. So, are you ready to rock in this data driven journey with PySpark and Databricks? I can't wait to see you in our first tutorial video. Thank you.